How do you add an email to your Gmail whitelist? You can whitelist emails here in Gmail by creating a filter for an email to never go to spam. To do that, we're going to go to the gear icon, which is your settings, and then see all settings. From here, we're going to go to filters and blocked addresses. Here, we're going to create a new filter. So we're going to click that button. Now that basically opens up this drop down in the search menu. And what we're going to do is say, if you're going to whitelist an email address, we're going to put the email address in the from section. And so I'm going to whitelist anything from contact@pixelandbracket.com. And so I'm going to put that email in here. I could click on this if I want to, it just adds a comma, it doesn't really mean anything. And then I'm going to go down here to create a filter. So this filter is matching the criteria from that email address. And then what I'm going to do is say never send that to spam. And so this filter essentially will make sure that anything from that email address will never go to spam. And then we can create the filter. And now you'll see this filter in that filters and blocked addresses section or setting. And you can see here that if you match this criteria that it's from this email address, never send it to spam. So it'll make sure that it's in your inbox and not in spam. You can edit this filter or delete this filter pretty easily from here, and you can add even more filters. That's how you can whitelist emails in Gmail.